Hey guys, what's up? Adam here, and I'm here at DBU in Dallas, Texas with Skylark. They just put in a brand new D&B V-Rig with array processing along with a Digico Quantum 225 with a couple SD racks and some other waves processing. We came in today, built out the full show file with the band's input list, built out all of our groups, all of our waves processing, did all of our time alignment, made it through a quick sound check, setting gains, and just the band played for a little bit. The band's phenomenal, everything's sounding really good. Yeah, so far everything's been really cool. I know that there's 8 subs on the floor and 4 up in the air, along with 9 boxes on each side. And yeah, so far I've been really happy with it, and the band's really cool, so can't wait to see what we can dive into later today.
Dude, Gabe been messing around, bro.
3, 2, 1. V does not come in.
I need some Mountain Dew. I need some.
Marshall, that hole felt pretty good.
You're good. Hey, Rob asked if those lines are going to be nice and straight and pretty.
If they're gonna be straight and pretty?
Yeah.
No, I think that we want to kind of like
Braid it?
braid it.
There we go.
Curtain or not?
It is red.
It is red?
Yeah, I can close it right now.
You wanna see it? Can you close it from here? I put the lyrics on the iMac too.
You did. Honestly, that was the thing that got me because it's 3 lines and we do 2 lines.
Oh my god.
I moved it. I moved it.
What?
Here. It'd be pointing right at me right here.
I already bought him one. So
Look at this, and you're gonna want one of these.
For now, with
I guess.
terminal blocks.
I'll load the stuff I need to load to them, and we'll do a quick system test and just make sure everything lines up right, and then we don't need to go up to the speakers and do anything. But I can do that Friday night, or if we get into that situation, I can even do that on Saturday. Anybody comes in here, they're not even adding more subs. Yeah. Like this is, they come in, plug in, and be very thrilled.
Maybe that's something where we play with, maybe pushing it back a few feet to find a happy average.
My quick tip for anyone out there who's mixing or just getting into mixing or wants to get better at mixing, something I always do is I lay out my file exactly the same way every single time, no matter where I go, no matter who I'm mixing or what I'm mixing. It's a key to success for troubleshooting, being able to be fast, quick on your feet, checking things. So I set up everything one-to-one in the way that I'm used to mixing it, where I have all my inputs on the left, all of my groups and outputs on the right. That helps me stay organized, helps me get to things quickly and make sure I'm successful for that event.
yeah, rack 1.12, input 1. Correct.
Trying to breathe underwater.
turn it on and off again just to check.
Cause it doesn't mean so much in the end. I've been trying to hide 'cause I'm scared. Cause it doesn't mean so much in the end.
All right, so we're here. We listened to the brand new PA. It was tuned last week by D&B team, Cory, and a few other people. And walking into this space, when I saw it yesterday, I was kind of like, oh man, this is going to be challenging.
Yeah.
Just visually looking at the room, I was concerned about trying to pull together a great big rock band mix and this kind of epic worship sound. And here I was just, it just looks like a challenging room. But man, when I started mixing, I was like, there's got to be some artificial low end buildup because we're on this raised platform in a balcony. But the low frequency sub energy feels nice and tight all in the whole balcony. And going down to the floor, it almost sounds the same. Like I feel like the B2s and the cardioid V subs tonally work really well together. It's almost indistinguishable the way they're utilized. Like when you walk the room, it's very consistent, which is kind of mind blowing.
Yeah, they did a great job.
They did a phenomenal job.
I mean, I think that's sort of always the handoff with the ground subs and the flown subs. It's like, you don't want to just rely on the ground subs because you kind of just nail people with level in the front row. And especially here in like a university setting where they might have, they might have guest speakers and people that they're sitting them on the front row because they're going to go. You don't want to just like hammer them with kick drum.
Oh yeah.
So like having a balance there is really good. I mean, I think the other thing is having the 44S's, the front fills hidden underneath there. A front fill that can keep up with those subs.
Yes.
Because sometimes we see that where people will like really underspec that front fill. It's like, we don't need a lot of output. We're not throwing that far, but when we put this giant B22 underneath it, you got to have some kind of balance.
It doesn't keep up. You just kind of get that weird high frequency sibilance, but it's not, tonally you lose the energy.
Yeah, and I mean, once again, just being able to make decisions here that translate there or there or there is important.
Yeah, for sure.
Nice. Hey. Nice job, dude. PA rips. You spec'd it. Oh. Why are you here?
You still real thanks.
Yeah, I'm sure it's like you're in it. It just fits the mood.